Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on Typhoon Saola/Goring. So, Typhoon Goring has rapidly intensified since yesterday, and as of 7:10 p.m. Central American Time, August the 25th, Typhoon Saola has maximum sustained winds of 110 miles per hour. And looking at Saturday 1 a.m. Central American Time, Saola is going to crawl to the south and become a 125 mile per hour very strong typhoon just about 30 miles east of the Philippines by Saturday 1 p.m. Central American Time, a 125 mile per hour very strong typhoon moving to the southeast. Sunday 1 a.m. Central American Time, 120 mile per hour very strong typhoon moving to the east. By Sunday 1 p.m. Central American Time, a 125 mile per hour very strong typhoon beginning to curve to the northeast. By Monday 1 p.m. Central Time, a 140 mile per hour violent typhoon curving to the north. And now, Saola is expected to become a super typhoon by Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday 1 p.m. Central American Time. We're looking at a potential 150 mile per hour super typhoon moving to the northwest towards Taiwan, and then we could see a landfall in south central Taiwan by Wednesday afternoon as a 130 mile per hour very strong typhoon. So Saola has actually drifted close to the Philippines. So looking at the latest tropical storm and typhoon force wind gusts, we're seeing a tropical storm force wind gusts between about 40 and 50 miles per hour in the northeastern corner of the Philippines. And going over the next several hours, as Saola continues to move closer to the Philippines, tropical storm force winds are going to spread across the northeastern Philippines, with the typhoon force winds staying just offshore, going into tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Central American Time, August the 26th. Could see typhoon force winds skirting the northeast coast. Going into 12 p.m. Central American Time tomorrow, tropical storm force winds across the northeastern Philippines, possibly typhoon force winds right along the coast. And then going into the next several hours, going into 6 through 9 o'clock tomorrow evening Central American Time, could be seeing tropical storm to typhoon force winds in the far eastern portions of the Philippines, and then going into the 27th, 6 a.m. Central American Time, then to 12 p.m., the typhoon and tropical storm force winds are going to begin to pull offshore as Saola begins to make that east-northeast curve going into August the 27th. And then as we go into August 28th, when the model ends, most of the tropical storm and typhoon force winds should be remaining well offshore, well, barely offshore. Now, timing out the rainfall for Typhoon Saola. Saola is going to bring some very heavy rain to the Philippines, as it is very close. So extremely heavy rain is going to spread into the far northeastern Philippines over the next several hours, and the core of heaviest rain should stay barely offshore, but bands of moderate to very heavy rain are going to overspread the northeastern Philippines as we go into 12 p.m. Central American Time tomorrow. Extremely heavy rain across the eastern Philippines as some of that core gets on shore going into tomorrow evening Central American Time. Rain kind of sitting over the eastern Philippines, leading to a dangerous flash flooding threat. And then as we go into 7, 8 a.m. August the 27th, Central American Time, Saola is going to begin to pull to the east, taking a lot of the heavy rain with it, bringing just some light rain and some moderate rain to the islands in the northeastern Philippines through August 27th, and then the model ends on August the 28th. 1 a.m. Central American Time. So if you live across Taiwan and the eastern Philippines, especially the eastern Philippines in the present time, make sure you're preparing for flooding rains and tropical storm force wind gusts, and then keep a very close eye if you live on Taiwan and down the road, southeastern China, for Typhoon Saola. And just going to take a quick look at our other tropical storm in the western Pacific. We have Tropical Storm Damri, 60 mile per hour tropical storm, 7:10 p.m. August the 25th Central American Time. Saturday 1 a.m. Central American Time, 65-mile-per-hour severe tropical storm moving to the northwest. Saturday, 1 p.m. Central American Time, 70-mile-per-hour severe tropical storm moving to the northwest. Going into Sunday, 1 a.m. Central American Time, Dam Ray is now expected to become a weak 75-mile-per-hour typhoon. And going into Sunday, 1 p.m. Central American Time, 70-mile-per-hour severe tropical storm a couple hundred miles east of Japan, and then a 60-mile-per-hour extratropical cyclone by Monday afternoon, and a 50-mile-per-hour extratropical cyclone curving to the east by Tuesday afternoon. As of right now, Japan, just keep an eye on Damri, but as of right now, no immediate threat to Japan from Damri. Thanks for watching this evening's tropical update on the Western Pacific. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.